Good morning, everyone. I found a way to go back home. I guess the easiest way is going to be Interstate 40. So I think it's like 2,000 miles to reach North Carolina. So I'm gonna get going now. I'm close to Flagstaff, Arizona. So this is where I'm gonna go on the I-40 and then keep going east. So I'll talk to you later. Cheers. Hello everyone, it is 7 p.m. and I am in New Mexico at a campground right after Albuquerque, but it is closed and it's raining pretty hard. It rained for the past 2 hours, like really hard. You know, when you do hydroplaning at 40 miles per hour, you know it's raining pretty hard. So anyway, I'm gonna have to go for plan B, whatever that is at this point, but it's only 7 p.m. so let's see if I find another spot for the night. I keep you posted. So I found a campground. I got some gas, I was due, and the lady at the campground recommended this place by the gas station, the Lazy Lizard, and it just happens to be a microbrewery. So I have to go, and I really don't want to disappoint her. So cheers everyone, good night. Of course I had to have it. Good morning everyone. It is 8 a.m. Let's see if I can do 500 miles today. So let's go. Guess what I found? A canyon in Oklahoma. This is a campground, so I'm gonna stay here for the night. I have another 1,200 miles to arrive in North Carolina. So talk to you later. So yes, pretty much my return trip consists of driving, sleeping, eating, and drinking. Everyone, not sure if you can hear, but so anyway, for my last night sleeping in a Jeep, I found this beautiful campsite, a rest area on Interstate 40. I tried a campground and it was closed, so I kept going and found this. So I'm going to sleep a little bit and just keep going. Cheers. Well, it was not too bad. All the truck noise was like white noise, so not bad. It is 7 a.m. and I have 530 miles to go, so I'm gonna go right now. everyone, it is day 36 and I made it back home and the house is still here. Hurricane Florence left it alone, which is great. So I'm gonna go back in, take a shower. It's North Carolina weather now, so it's like hot and humid still at the end of September, but anyway, and then eat something, and I will put the Jeep back in the garage and I unload everything, I don't know, sometimes maybe this weekend or next weekend, I don't know, let's see, no hurry. So talk to you later.
Traveling all alone.